The AI world is buzzing with DeepSeek, a Chinese startup, and their groundbreaking AI model R1. They claim a significant breakthrough in cost-effective AI development. This has sent ripples through the industry, especially among US tech giants. DeepSeek's entrance could shift the balance of power in AI. Their cost-effective model raises questions about the future of AI development, for significant disruption in the industry. Adding another layer of complexity to this unfolding narrative is the geopolitical backdrop, specifically, the ongoing US restrictions on AI chip supply to China. The US government, citing national security concerns, has implemented measures to curb the flow of advanced semiconductors to China, aiming to curtail its progress in AI development. However, DeepSeek's emergence, if validated, might suggest that these restrictions are having a limited impact. DeepSeek's ability to innovate despite these limitations underscores the resilience and resourcefulness of the Chinese tech industry. It also raises questions about the long-term effectiveness of such restrictive measures. While curtailing access to cutting-edge chips might slow down progress in the short term, it could also incentivize Chinese companies to become more self-reliant. This situation has created a compelling dynamic. On the one hand, the US seeks to maintain its technological edge by limiting China's access to crucial components. On the other hand, China, driven by companies like DeepSeek, is demonstrating its determination to forge ahead, navigating challenges and seeking alternative pathways to achieve its AI ambitions.